Welcome back to the channel if you've been here before. So I just got in my rocks 2-inch risers for the KLR650. I'm going to go ahead and throw them on. After a little bit of inspection with these throttle cables, choke cable, brake, clutch, they're not budging too much. I'm going to go ahead and pop the seat off, get the tank off, and see what's going on. See if we can get a little more play up here. So now that we have the gas tank off, the seat off, we'll have a better idea of what is holding these cables back. And it looks like down here, it's going to be hard to see, there's a zip tie holding the, what is that? That's the choke cable. Let me go ahead and get these loose and see how far up we actually have to go to install the new risers. Let's get these little caps off. Come on. There we go. And that looks like, let's see. Maybe a 5. Nope. That's gonna be a 6mm. So we got those two braces off. Right, open this. And of course, these are the wrong size they sent me. Here we are a few days later. Just received the right size rocks risers. They're the 2-inch, but they're the 7/8 size. So they will fit around these handlebars and on these clamps. Well, let's finish putting these on finally. I have all the bolts ready to go, a little bit of Loctite on all of these. And it looks like on the actual riser placement, I'm probably going to want it right about there. But if you look from the top, there's no way I'm going to get to this bolt in the rear here. So I think what has to happen is we'll get this one almost all the way tight and then use this one to actually tighten the riser in place. So I have these two in. Just going to lightly tighten all the way down. Get these lower ones in now. As well, just lightly tighten. Alright, now I'm going to figure out where I want the handlebars to actually be set at. I'm going to go ahead and put these in. As well, just lightly tighten these for now. About there. These are in all the way. Just using a rubber mallet. That should work for now. I'm going to go ahead and get everything tightened up. And I'll do a couple turns to the left and to the right, make sure there's nothing too tight cable-wise getting pulled. Let's try to turn to the right. So after messing with it a little bit, I just went ahead and pulled the choke cable a little bit higher up and the throttle cable a little bit higher up. And this should be good. This should give me enough play. It's not pulling as much here, right by the carb. That should be alright. I'm going to go ahead and put the bike back together. Go for a quick test drive. It's getting a little bit late. I'm going to go for a quick run though, just around the neighborhood. See how these feel, just kind of initial thoughts. Gotta go a little bit back, but we'll deal with that later. Definitely helps out a little bit. Not have to be so hunched over. Hope I got these tight enough. Double check and see what the actual torque spec is on these handlebars. It feels pretty good though. I like that position. That ain't bad. You know, overall I think these will definitely help out, especially for just standing. This is a great position. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys next time.